We have finished our front porch. We bolted in the railings yesterday. We still have the column caps to finish out, but we'll get to that this weekend. I'm really happy that I made the decision to put that black stain over the top of the existing stain. I'm hoping it will last. So far it seems to be holding up to weather. We've had a couple of rains since I put it on, and hasn't ruined it. So we'll see what it's like by next spring after winter. I'm so glad I got rid of the orange. I couldn't handle it. We have a black house, green accents on it. Adding that orange deck just made it feel like Halloween. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. Here you go.